hard, no statue, count, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid.
This looks stupid or no? Let me know. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Crimson if you're new here. In today's video, as you guys could tell by the title, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did these knotless braids on myself. And I did these braids super long. If I didn't do these so long, it probably would have taken me less time, but since I did it this length, it took me about a day and a half to finish, but I'm also super slow, so if you're a fast braider, then you could probably do them way better than me. But anyway, I love how they came out. They're super light and natural looking. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did these braids on myself, then just keep watching. Okay, we're gonna try a cool intro today. Alright y'all, so obviously I'm gonna start by parting my hair down the middle. Normally I'll pre-part all the sections of my hair, but this time I decided to just part as I braided, so this was different for me this time. So this was the hair I used to braid. I've never used this brand before, but it's just a pre-stretched braiding hair. It was in the color 530 and it was 30 inches pre-stretched, so it was super long, and then I just added the hair as I was braiding, so it made them even longer. As you guys could see, I was using the Shine and Jam extra hold to gel my hair down and make the parts more exact. You guys know how I love that Shine and Jam. So after I put the Shine and Jam onto my roots, I'm just going to take my baby hairs out and make sure that all the jam is combed through. So now I'm just going to pre-section the braiding hair that I'm going to use for the braid I'm on. I believe in each braid I used about 4 to 6 small pieces of hair, as you guys can see. And then I'm just going to start parting my natural hair into 3. So now what I'm going to do is just braid my hair as normal, and then I'm not going to add the braiding hair in until I rotate each piece maybe twice, and you're going to see when I add the hair in. So this clip isn't going to show it the best, but basically what I do is add the hair on top of my hair, and then I just continue to braid as normal. And it's kind of hard to explain. It's a little easier to visualize it. Like I said, this clip isn't the best, but if you just stay tuned, you'll see that once I get closer to the front, it's easier to demonstrate than to explain, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch.
last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold ring. No ring. Dirty ass, spilling ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Got your bitch around me, nigga ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty, got my folk out there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams and they kills and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell that from my peers right now. Bitch, you wanna fuck me down. Bitch, you wanna love me down. Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freaking nigga told me stop. Take it like you own me stuff. Push it on a pussy like a button. Still getting rowdy in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's dumb. Everywhere I go now, always got shit.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace, that's how peace. Down the block, been through the street. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. The traffic run like 11. Bad bitch, and she's Spanish. I'm out there, they got a vessel. We get nasty, I'm a daddy. She know that nigga ain't average. Ain't nothing wrong with fake kisses. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm geeking, I'm on it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't starting it. Walk down, we ain't buying it. King of this Columbia can come here without a permit. This shit really a jungle. Realness and the chronic.
But I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold ring. No ring. She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold ring. No ring. Dirty ass, spilling ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Got your bitch around me, nigga ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty, got my folk out there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams and they kills and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell that from my peers right now. Bitch, you wanna fuck me down. Bitch, you wanna love me down. Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freaking nigga told me stop. Take it like you own me stuff. Push it on a pussy like a button. Still getting rowdy in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's dumb. Everywhere I go now, always got shit.
Okay, so I completely forgot to record myself adding mousse and dipping the braids, but that's basically what I did after they were all finished. So here's just a close-up of how I ended up parting my hair. I just did like small square parts. I didn't do anything special this time. It turned out just fine, but it did take me a lot longer to part as I braided, so I don't know, it just depends on your preference. It doesn't really matter that much to me, but I wanted them to still be exact, but I didn't feel like rubber banding each tiny section, so I figured it was better for me to just part as I went for this hairstyle. But yeah, this is the final look on how they came out, and I love how flat and sleek they are because I normally go for the big jumbo braids, but these I really like, and I'm definitely gonna do them again. And then I just wanted to show you guys how long they ended up being. Like, these were past my butt, and I'm really tall. If you guys didn't know, I'm 5'11", so for them to be that long, they were long, and I love them for that because nothing's ever long on me, so these were really cute. Okay, so now that you've made it to the end of the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you try this on yourself, then please let me know. Follow me on Instagram and show me how it came out on yourself. My usernames for all my socials is crimson_Milan, so make sure you follow me on those. This one braid just really wants to make an appearance, and let's see. I'm gonna tuck her. Oh, I love these braids because you can just do anything with them. The way I just tucked it, and yeah, I like that. So yeah, like I said, make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me in the future. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Time with a kill. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed. That's real, no lie. You can tell that from my peers right now. Bitch, you wanna fuck me down. Bitch, you wanna love me down. Girl, you can't tie me down.